Okay, so in this question, you're looking for the total number of films to begin with. And you have it written up in the top corner here, 80, or you can read it directly off the graph at the very top. The top cumulative frequency is 80 films. And we're asked to find the interquartile range. Now this is going to require the upper quartile and the lower quartile. So we'll start with the lower quartile. Lower quartile is 1/4 of 80, read off the cumulative frequency scale and bounced down to the length in minutes. Now I'm reading that as 102 minutes, although it's actually in between. It'd be 102.5 or 103 would be reasonable readings off this graph. So that's the lower quartile that I have. Now in blue, I'm going to calculate my upper quartile. 3/4 of the total is 60. So I go 60 and then down, and I'm going to come out at 203. Now you will notice when I do the subtraction, I come out at 21. Now the actual answer in the mark scheme is 20.5. However, you get full marks for any number in the range 19 to 21. So there is leeway for you, and you get full marks if you get any number in that range. We got 21, so that's full marks. But the reason why is that this value here could be read as 103 or 102.5. There's a little bit of variation there. So that would bring it down to more like 20, and 20.5 is the exact right answer, but anything in between 19 and 21.